Good afternoon, y'all. It's a beautiful day. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of having your deepest purpose, live that out, why it's important for the people you care about, why it affects your wife, your family, how it affects the children, the importance of being that kind of father, a father who has not submitted themselves to yes, it's good to spend time with your children, but it is the quality of time. It is your presence. Are you fully there? Are you seriously able to dedicate all your focus and time to them when you're with them? Or inside of you, there's something nagging you because you're not living out your deepest purpose? So let's talk about purpose, right? Purpose isn't necessarily a one-time job. It kind of comes in waves. It kind of comes in seasons. You can spend a few years on dedicating yourself to a project that has become your purpose, in a way, your identity. And then one day, bam, you lose passion for it. Now, obviously, yes, you might be too early and burnt out in a way, maybe, perhaps. But if it's genuinely, we have seasons, we have waves. As a man progresses in life, it's like if you had a ball, you had different layers, right? Concentric circles. But in the center is like your true inner purpose. And as you go on through life, you're digging, getting to the next chapter and the next chapter, and your deeper purpose becomes more and more clear. And obviously, you should root your purpose and your life based on God's law and principles, and God will give you your purpose because He designed you. It may not be instant. There may be a phase where you're just figuring it out. That is not the time to just be playing video games and sitting on the TV. You should apply yourself to something. Obviously, there's never the evil one will get you when your hands are idle, okay? I don't know what verse that's related to, but maybe I can put that in the description, which, by the way, today is the 5th. And the main part of the 5th chapter of Proverbs this morning was stay away from the promiscuous woman. Do not share your spring of life with anyone else but your wife. Purpose might start off with something worldly for a lot of us teenagers, like perhaps building a car, or I don't know, getting a nice physique, things very worldly, things in a way mediocre in the grand scheme of things. And as you progress in life, that moves on to, hey, I want to provide for my family. I've decided to be a father. And it keeps going, and then you become like a youth pastor, or start speaking into a group of young men. And the purpose grows and grows. Perhaps a ministry, whatever. A big business, providing or living out some important mission. But it's very important. You're just wandering through life without a purpose. I'd recommend you spend time with God and learn about your purpose. And eventually it might come in like some rough vision or some idea you need to work out, and it'll get clearer as you pursue it. But remember, start with the rock. Start with the right foundation. Seek first the kingdom of God, and all these things shall be added on to you. Wow. 6 minutes so far. Really 5. But yeah, man, I believe in you. You have so much potential. When you don't know your purpose, what I can say is there's probably things that you don't need to be doing that you are doing. There's probably things you know you should be doing that you ought to be doing that you're not doing. So get that right. That's a good start. That's how I started. Replacing my bad habits with good habits. It's the whole reasoning of this series. This 100-day challenge, 3-month transformation, whatever you want to call it. To be a better man. You should always be progressing. To stay the same, it's cowardice, because you have the opportunity for improvement every single day. To not strive to be better that day, any day, is cowardice, because you are withholding your best self from those around you. You're being lesser than what you could be. You're holding out from others because it might be hard, it might be difficult. That's cowardice. But I think I'll leave it there. I said enough. Some bits and pieces of wisdom. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I gave value. I have work to do, and I have been on it today. Not to brag. Don't let your own lips praise you. But yeah, man. You saw, well, if you don't know, I got onto myself yesterday, and I documented my first L, my little rut, my little valley, and I'm back climbing the mountain. So, I hope you're climbing your mountains. I hope you're trying to be better every single day and not being a coward and giving your gift out into the world. Hopefully, either living out the purpose you know of right now or doing the right things in this season where you're waiting for your purpose to come to you. But I appreciate you watching. I love you. Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the recap and whenever you see me next. Y'all have a good one. Peace.